Hey everyone, so this video is going to tie into providing value. A lot of businesses succeed because they have lifetime customers instead of people that purchase from them one time. And affiliate marketing is no different. If someone has a good experience with you, when you recommend them to a product and you provide value to them, they will trust you. And that means they will believe in any product you choose to promote to them down the line. A good way to break this down is the cost. Let's say you're spending all this money on paid advertisements and it costs you $10 to get someone signed up for something. But if you're making $10 from getting them to sign up, you're breaking even. Or like this training, I'm paying to give something away for free, so I'm losing money by getting you here. But what a lot of people don't understand is the value ladder. I might eat that money in the front end, but I will be able to monetize on it down the line. You could be an affiliate marketer making $10,000 a month, but if you're spending $9,500 a month to make that 10K, you're not making that much money. And this is where a lot of affiliate marketers end up because they don't continue to build relationships with people. So like I explained a little bit in the last video, providing value, whether that is free bonuses or some type of content that will help them in exchange for an email address, is a huge mistake people make. They'll send them to a product and make a commission, and that's it. The customer's gone. But if you're required to get an email address or like a Facebook Messenger information from that initial $10, you can continue to make sales to the same person over and over again for months or years to come. This is a very crucial part when it comes to when you're trying to become a really successful affiliate marketer. You're able to turn that initial $10 from breaking even to $20, $30, or $40, or even $100 per person. I know this might not make a lot of sense in this training, but I just want to start introducing all these concepts. I will go a lot more in depth throughout this training, and there will also be 180 email templates that I'm also going to give to you guys. So, I know some of this might not make sense right now, but I just want to get your guys' brains turning and you guys to start thinking about a lot of this stuff. So I'll see you in the next video.